Hello everybody, we are come up with the another video, that is the sixth or seventh video for the bills of exchange and fourth video for the sum. Now this is the one drawer multiple drawee sum, and before this sums all sum was given, that is the one drawer and one drawee only, means the only drawer has doing business with the only drawee, the whole business done with the only drawee. Now in this sum what happens, on the same day there are many drawees. The businessman not only done the same business with one person, they do the same business with many buyers, that is the many customer, that is the many drawee. So we are writing the one drawer multiple drawee sum. Entries are same, but there is no system like the following system, like the last sum we followed. In this there are given any entry for the any drawer, that is the first entry will be discount, then the second entry will be the retire. This is not the lineup entry as we already thought. Now give journal entries in the books of Bipin. I have already drawn the sum. In this sum the ledger account is not needed, so we are not making the ledger account. By mistake it is made by me. Sonal's acceptance for 3 months of 20,000 was discounted with the Bank of India for 19,750. The entry of is discounted. Bindra accepted 14,400, retired. The entry is of retire 1 month before the due date at a rebate of 12% per annum. The rebate we will find out. The Rekha's acceptance, whenever the acceptance given in the front of any name, means that name is known as a drawee, means Rekha's acceptance, so Rekha is a drawee. If they given Raj acceptance, means Raj is a drawee. Somewhat of rupees 8,500 is endorsed in a favor of Gayatri, so entry is of endorsed in a full settlement of his account of 8,650. We will find out what it is. What the sold goods to Vinaya, entry was sold goods. Vinaya 20,000 and 8% trade discount. Now trade discount will be covered in the same entry. Received half the amount immediately. Now half the amount word is little important for us, on which the 10% cash discount was allowed. For the balance bill was drawn on Vinaya, which was accepted by. Now we will start with the sum. Now Sonal's acceptance. Now this book is what in the books of Bipin. Most probably the sum which is given in someone's name, that name is most probably a drawer, because this problem is known as a one drawer multiple drawee, that is single drawer multiple drawee. Sonal's acceptance rupees 3 months 20,000 was discounted. In this sum there is no date is given, so we are going to write number 1. Now bill is discounted. The discounted entry, that is cash bank account debit, discount account debit to bills receivable, means the bill is given to the bank in the favor of that bill. In short, the bill is sold to the bank for 19,750. They given us the amount. The total bill is of 20,000. Now the difference is known as a discount. The difference is rupees 250, which is deducted by the bank for their own benefit, being bill discounted. No need to write the name. In many books they had given the name, that is being bill discounted by whom. It is not necessary. Bindra's acceptance. So Bindra is drawee of 14,400, retire 1 month. Bill is retire means what? It is honored. Now in the retire they had not given how the payment has been done, so we are going to write cash bank account debit. The drawee, that is Bindra, is asked for rebate. Now that rebate will be lost for us. So rebate is a nominal account, debit all expenses and losses. After completing payment, customer receives the bill. So bill will goes out. Bills receivable. Now the total bill is of 14,400. 14,400. Now we need to calculate 12% of 14,400. There are many methods to calculate 12%, but you can directly divide this 144 by 12. In the 12th table you will find the 144 at, so dividing 12 by 144. Now after dividing with the 12, that is the 12%, you will find out this amount, that is 1728. This 1728 is of whole year, that is it is of 12% for 12 months. So this is, you can divide it by 12 again, and after dividing it by 12 you need to calculate like this way: 1728 divided by 12. So 12 ones are 12, 0, 5, 2, 12 fours are 48. Now 12, 12 minus 8, answer will be 40. Now 12 fours are 180. So answer will be 144. Now we are going to write it. So rebate will be 144. So we will minus it from 14,400. 100 is gone. 300 from 340 is gone. There is 260. So it will be 256. Answer will be. Narration is being bill retire. Number 3. Now number 3 is Rekha's acceptance of 8,500 endorsed in a favor of Gayatri. So bill is what done? Endorsed. Number 3, endorsee is who? In the favor the bill is drawn, that is the Gayatri. So Gayatri's account debited to, properly write, Gayatri's account debited to Rekha's account. Now in this sum what happened? The bill is settled with the 8,500 to Gayatri, and the original bill, as we are need to pay, means we are the drawee of Gayatri, so we need to pay 8,650, and instead of paying 8,650 we paid 8,500. So we taken discount from Gayatri. Now how it is? Total bill need to be paid to Gayatri is 8,650. The actual bill is endorsed. Sorry, no Rekha. It should be no Rekha. It should be bills receivable account 8,500, and the discount is of 150. Being bill endorsed and discount taken. Now number 4. Number 4 is what? Sold goods to Vinay 20,000 at 8% rate discount. Now goods is sold to Vinay. So Vinay's account debit to sales account. But what happened? The total goods is of 20,000 and they asked for 8% rate discount. So we need to count the 8%. If you had any problem with counting, remove 1 0, you will find 10%. Remove again 1 0, you will find 1%. So 1% is of 200. Then you can uh, make it into 200 into 8, and then you will find the 8%. That is 8 into 2, 1600 is a 8%. So 1600 is removed from 20,000 because trade discount is never recorded in journals. So we found 18,400. 18,400. The actual sale happened is of 18,400. Narration: being goods sold at 8% TD. Now this is the entry of 4 again. So we are going to write it 4B, and here we are going to write 4A, because in 4 we have multiple entries. Now they had given received half the amount immediately. Now this is not the cash book, so we don't need to write the half amount of cash book. That is the cash entry, and 10% cash discount is allowed for the balance bill was drawn on Vinay. So we need to make only the bill drawn entry, which is as given. For A, that Vinay's entry sold goods. Now we are going to write the sold goods entry. That is the Vinay's account debit discount account debit and cash account debit to sales account. Now the actual sale is happened of minusing the 8% of 20,000. So the actual sale is of 18,400. Cash is made of half of 18,400. So 18,400's half means 9,200. 9,200 is remaining. The discount, which is calculated 10% on the remaining amount, is 920. After deducting discount, we received cash from Vinay, that is 8,250. The total amount is 18,400. Being goods sold on cash and credit. You can write half cash and half credit. Now for B, that is the last entry, the bill made for the remaining amount. They had given to us that the bill is made. The bill was drawn on Vinay, which was accepted by her. So bill is made. Now bills receivable account debit to the drawee is Vinay, means Vinay is the credit the giver. Now this is the cash. We don't need to write this. This is the discount. We also don't need to write this. We are going to write the remaining amount which is not paid by Vinay. That was 9,200. Narration: and last entry, being bill drawn and accepted. So this is the our sum.